In this video, I'll teach you how to add a file upload button in Wix. Start by going onto your Wix website editor, and from here go ahead to the form that you want to add the file upload button to. In this case, I'm going to add it to this form here, so I'm going to click on edit form. Once you're at this dashboard, we need to go on the left hand side down to general, and then we can go ahead and click on file upload right here. And if you want to, you can go ahead and adjust it so it looks a bit better like this. Let's say I want my register button here and my file upload button over here. Go ahead and click and drag. Once you're satisfied with the placement, you can also go over here on the right hand side and you can choose what kind of file types you allow. So let's say this is for a clothing site where people, for example, would upload complaints. In that case, you'd probably just want videos and images. But if you're more like a school, you could also allow something like a document. Once you're happy with everything, go up here and click on save. And once it's saved with a tick mark like this, simply click away. And as you can see, we now have an upload file button on our form in Wix. If you want to test this out, you can go up here and click on preview. And from here, go down and click on upload file. And then you can see how it works. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. That's how you can add an upload file button to a form in Wix. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.